What is category style? Category style is a powerful feature in GIS that allows us to visually represent different categories of data using colors, shapes, or icons. It helps us organize and distinguish various types of information on a map. What is the purpose and benefits of category style? The purpose of category style is to provide a clear and intuitive way to represent complex data. It helps us communicate spatial information effectively and aids in decision-making processes. Category style maps are helps to categorize any data like various educational sector. By studying these maps, we can gain knowledge about the position of different educational sectors like school, college, university with different icons. Now, you may be curious about where to easily conduct such analyses. No worries, let's introduce MAPOG, which is the platform we need for this. Now, let's explore how to apply category style to represent various education sector using MAPOG map analysis. First, open the MAPOG map analysis interface. Navigate to Add Upload to incorporate educational institution data. Select Add GIS data and choose the country of interest. Enter the country name first and select the educational institution point data to add. Now we incorporate category style for better interpretation. First, access Style Data from the menu toolbar and choose Category Style. Select the layer first and then select the option of icon or circle for styling. For this particular use case, select icon for better understanding. Now choose the attribute Categorize the data based on different educational institutions or sectors. Customize the icon and set its size. After customization, click Save Style. Now go to Action button from the layer, then switch on the Label feature. The final map is now ready. It displays various educational sectors, including schools, colleges, universities, music schools, and kindergartens, each represented by distinct colored icons for clear identification and interpretation with the help of category style. Our map caters specifically to the education sector, aiding educational institutions, urban planners, and policymakers in better understanding the distribution and accessibility of educational facilities within a region. Effortlessly, we've demonstrated the power of category style in educational sector mapping with MAPOG. Now concludes our demonstration of category style in MAPOG map analysis. With this knowledge, you can create visually stunning maps for various projects. Thanks for watching. Let's explore other features in MAPOG map analysis for more possibilities. Contact us at support@mapog.com for further query.